Hi friends, here we have a window that I put in all of my projects of ArchViz in interior design. It's pretty simple and low poly, so fitting it anywhere would be easy. As always, I have to recreate 3D from a real photo that looks like this. If we enlarge it a bit, we can see that it's a triple glass here. And it means that schematically it is something like this. Of course, all these details are useless in ArchViz aims, and needn't have them all. But what I want to tell you is that to be aware of all of them is quite worthwhile when you are making a 3D. Okay, let's look a bit closer. I'll turn off the bevel modifier so we can see a pure mesh. The rubber between the plastic and glass I made a bit wider. That feels better in the final renders. It has a simple black material, the same as here, and between two metal inserts. And if we look at the open part, it doesn't have a gap. It's the same black material. You may ask me, is there any glass? But it's present here. You know, when just the interior is needed to make it much more convenient to have the backface skull property turned on in particular materials. In this case, for the glass I have done so, and it gave me the opportunity to see what is outside and tuned it better for the camera view. And if we look from the outside, here is how it looks. But in the renders it looks perfect. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like it and make sure that you are subscribed. See you soon.